Hey dude, hey, what's up? Sky, you are looking sad, man. What's wrong? I don't have any portfolio. What? What are you talking, man? Yeah, I know. Do you know Tech2 etc.? He is making tutorial about how to make a portfolio. You should watch the full tutorial, man. Yeah? Yeah, man. I will definitely watch the tutorial. Love you, man. Love you too. Do you need any link? Don't dare to send me any link. Okay then, what's the tutorial? Welcome back everyone, hope you guys are well. So today I'm going to show you how to make this complete responsive portfolio website and 100% from scratch using Bootstrap. I will be using a little bit CSS also for styling font and other stuff. I am assuming that you guys know about Bootstrap, and if you guys don't know about Bootstrap, then check out this video which I made a few days ago about Bootstrap and introduction about how it works, advantages and other stuff. If you guys don't know about Bootstrap, then I will suggest you to watch this whole tutorial. I will put a link in the description below. So let's see what we have in this website. In the middle we have our navigation here. What we will find is that click on a navigation link, it will bring us to a different section of the page, and the navigation will also be highlighted depending on where you are on the page. And here you guys can see that background image and some headings, and you guys also can see that here is a fixed navigation bar with hover effect, and underneath this we have a about me section. Yeah, here is a profile image, and there is some headings and dummy text also. You can put your about, you can put your description about your work, about your projects, what you do, etc. in here. I just put dummy text for example, and here is a button also. And here we have our service section. You can put your previous work example or previous projects if you have any, and this is the section you guys can showcase your skills to others. And under this project image you can put your project heading here, and some other details about your project, and here is a live preview button also, and we have another button here. Here is a newsletter section, and underneath this we have a contact us form. Here is a full name and email and etc., and this is our footer section. Here you guys can put your contact and other stuff and other website link here. As I mentioned before that this website is completely responsive and it looks good in mobile devices and laptops and tablets and other devices also. And this is the secret to make a responsive website. You have to think smartly. You have to change the layout according to in which device it's in. You have to find out how you will arrange your website in mobile devices or in iPad or in large screen. Most of them in website I will do with help of the Bootstrap, but I will use media query here also. And if you guys are in mobile devices, it looks perfect in mobile device also. So you guys can see that this website is completely responsive in every device. So let's dive into the tutorial, and before we start, if you guys are new in my channel, then like this video and subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon for the future videos. And if you guys already subscribed to my channel, then thank you for coming back. You guys are so amazing. So let's make this website. Here is all of our project files. This one is for background, and here is also index.html file and css file, and these images for our service section. So first let's open the index.html file. Now we have to create our basic HTML structure. So for using Bootstrap, we have to link the Bootstrap file also. So let's go to the Bootstrap official website. So first one is the Bootstrap official website, and here is also another website from W3. You can open that also. So let's go to the official website. Here you can see that build fast responsive site with Bootstrap, and here is a get started and download option. You just have to simply click on the download, and you can find this page which is compiled CSS and JavaScript. Now click the download option. Now you have to save the file in your project file. So my project file is in desktop, and in portfolio, save. Now we have to go to the W3 website. Just click on get started. Now for linking the Bootstrap file, we have to just go down a little bit. You can find a code. Yeah, here is the code. Just copy the code from here and paste it to our HTML file. Now we have to edit our title. This one will be portfolio, and now we have to link our Bootstrap file, which one we downloaded. So let's extract this file here, and go to the CSS, and just copy the min.css file from here and paste it in your project file. Now we need the name of this file, so copy the file name and create a link tag. Now we have to paste the name here. We don't need this JavaScript file here, so paste it here, and now we have to link our CSS file. So style.css. So first we have to create our navigation bar. So that's why let's create a div tag, and now we have to comment so that you guys can understand in better way. So this one for is navigation start, and another comment out will be navigation end, and then let's create another comment. It's for background start, and another comment for background end. So let's go to the Bootstrap official website. Now we have to click on component, and here you guys can see that navbar option. So click on it, and you guys can see more options for navigation bar and different style. You guys can choose as your own. So I need this style, so I will copy the full code from here. Just click on copy and paste the code here. So now let's see the preview and refresh. Yeah, here is our navigation bar. Actually we don't need this search and form option, so that's why I am deleting this form and this list also, and from this list I don't need this span tag, so that's why I delete the span and copy this list and paste it 2 times. So first one will be home, second one will be about, third one will be service, and the last one will be contact. So let's see. Yeah, there is our navigation bar. Now I want these nav links to be in center and I don't want this navbar logo. So that's why I will first delete the navbar logo. So here is the navbar logo which is inside the anchor tag. And I want the nav link into center. So here is a bootstrap class which one is margin auto. That means margin from right will be auto. So I will change it to margin x, which one is mx auto. It means margin auto from left and right both side. That means the nav links will be in the center. We don't need this code also and them also. So let's delete this code. So I want to be our navigation bar fixed, so that's why a class which one is fixed top, and I want our navigation background will be dark, which one is black, so that's why there is a class for background dark. And here you guys can see that our navigation links in the center and our background is dark. Now I want this navigation links to be a style, so fonts and colors, so that's why let's go to the style sheet. Now we have to change the fonts, so that's why I am going to the Google fonts. Click the links. You guys can choose your own Google fonts as your own style. I am choosing mine. So first one will be Lato. So now click on embedded and import. Just copy this text and paste it here. Now we will create our body tag. Margin will be 0 and padding will be 0. Box sizing will be border box and overflow X will be hidden. And for now just copy this font style, which one is Lato. Now refresh. Yeah, our font style is changed. Now we have to create the hover effect or some other things. So let's target the navbar class. Paste it here and text transform will be uppercase and the font size will be 14 pixel and font width will be 700, which is bold. Yeah, our font style changed. Now letter spacing will be 0.2 rem and background will be RGB as 0.00 0.6, which one is red, green, blue and alpha. So this doesn't changed. We have to make this important so that Bootstrap can understand the importance of this background RGB. So yeah, important and refresh. Yeah, now the RGB color. So we need some spacing from top to top and bottom. So that's why padding will be 20 pixel from top to bottom and 0 pixel from left to right. Here you can see that in our original website there is no spacing between one of them, but here you can see that there are a space between two nav links. So for creating a space between two nav links, we have to target the nav link classes. So here you can see that these nav links are inside of a nav link class, and this nav link class inside of a navbar nav class, and this navbar nav class is inside in navbar dark. So you have to copy the classes from here and paste it here. So now first we will define our color, font color, which is white, and padding left would be 20 pixel. We have a space between two nav links. So now we have to create our hover effect. So that's why I will copy these classes and paste it here. Now add active and again paste it here. Now this will be hover and the color will be H1EBBI3. So let's see. Yeah, here you can see that our hover effect is working. So now we have to create our background image. So that's why create a div tag, and inside this div tag we have to create image tag, and our image file name is back1.jpg. And here we are using a class which is image fluid. This is a class from Bootstrap. This class is so important because it will make your image responsive, so don't forget this class. So now we have to create these headings. So let's go. Now we have to create another div tag, and inside this div tag we will create a h5 tag, and this one will be for hello I am. So copy this text and pasting here, and another tag for h1, and this one will be for name, and another paragraph tag for this. Now paste it here now and refresh. Yeah, so you can see that these tags are now in left side. We have to move this in the center, so that's why now we have to create our classes for background and another classes for heading content. And now we will use another class from Bootstrap which is text center. This class will bring all of your text in the center. So let's add this class text center. Now if we see the preview, we can see that inside this div tag all of the h1 and h5 and p tags will bring you in the center. Yeah, here you can see that all of the texts are in now center. Now we have to position this text, so that's why first we have to copy this class heading content, and the position will be absolute, and from top it will be 40%, and width will be 100%. Max width will be 100% also. So now you can see that. Now we have to copy this class again, and this time we have to target h5 tag, and font size will be 3em, and the font width will be 300. Color will be white, and font family will be mono space. So yeah, it's looking good. And then now we have to target our h1 tag. That's why I copy this whole text and paste it here, change it to h1, and this will be 4em font size, and this will be bolder. So copy the font family here and paste it here. Let's change it to 5, and yeah, here it's looking good. Here you can see that hello I am is a little bit smaller than our previous thing, so that's why I changed the font size to 4em. Yeah, it looks good now. Now we have to target our paragraph tag, so that's why I copy this thing again and paste it here. Now change it to p, and font size will be 1em, and this time text transform will be uppercase, and the color will be gray, and the font weight will be lighter. So word spacing will be 5 pixel, and letter spacing will be 2 pixel. So let's refresh. Yeah, it is looking good. So let's change the position from top, change it to 50%. So that's why it will, yeah, it's in the middle now. So after making this navigation and background image, now we have to create our about me section. Here we have about me headings and image and some text. So now we have to also think about responsive, how this page will behave in different screen size devices. For making this section responsive, first we have to understand Bootstrap Grid, because we will use Bootstrap Grid system for make our website responsive in a simple way. So let's see in practical what is Bootstrap grid system. Bootstrap follows 12 standard columns. It means that in my website about me section it will follow also 12 standard columns. So this image section will take 1 to 6 column and this section will take 7 to 12 columns. So this is my website. You can see that in first 6 column, yeah, I have image, and then another 6 column I have my text and headings and buttons also. We can make a website responsive using Bootstrap Grid. How? Using Bootstrap Grid classes. In my website I will use these 3 classes. First one is column LG6, second one is column MD12, and third one is column 12. Now we have to understand these classes. Here you can see that first one is column, second one is LG, and third one is 6. So what means all of this? This column means only column. This means that our website will follow this standard grid system. So this LG means for screen. So here you can see that LG and MD. So LG means large screen and MD means middle or medium screen, and this 6 is means how many column it will take in large screen. So you can see that in MD I used 12 columns. It means in middle or medium device it will take 12 columns. It means it will take 100% of width. So let's see in different screen sizes. Here we have our different screen size. First one is mobile, and the second one is tablet, and third one is our laptop or PC. So for laptop or PC I will use column LG. It means column large. And for tablet I will use column MD. It means medium devices. And for mobile phones we will only use column, and Bootstrap will find out itself why we are using column only. It will find out that we are using column for only mobile phone screens, and it will take 100% of width. In this website, in my about me section, it will looks like in PC or a laptop or large screen like this. So first section, so this image section will take only 6 column, so that's why column large 6, and another part, this one will take also 6 column. So in tablet you can see that it will take 100% of this image will take 100%, and this part will taking 100% also. So in this part I will use column MD12. It means column medium devices 12. It means it will take whole width of our screen size, and for this section also it will also be same. It will column MD12. It means it will take also 100% of width. In mobile phones it will also taking 100%. You can see that this image is now taking 100%, and this text will also taking 100%. So for this part I will use column 12. It means it will take 12 columns. It means 100% of width. And for this part also I will use column 12, so it will also take 100%. So I hope I was able to give you guys some idea about Bootstrap grid system. So let's get back to our website. For using Bootstrap grid system we have to follow some basic structure of Bootstrap grid. First we have to create a row class. Inside this row class we will put our elements about image and some other stuff, and but we have to follow the structure which is row. First we have to create a row class. Now I will comment out our next section. That's why copy this comment, and this will be our about start, and another comment for about, and so let's create a div tag, and this we have to give a ID. That will be about, and a class. So we have to give a ID to our home also, so that's why this will be home. So now copy this thing and paste it, and this will be for our service section, and this will be also service end, and id change will be service, and paste it again, and this will be for contact, and that's why this will be contact as start, and this will be contact end, and that will be contact. So let's go to our about section. So let's close this home section, and now we have to create a div tag and the class name, and inside this div tag we will create our heading, which is about me. So that's why I am creating a h3 tag. This will be about me, and I need a horizontal line also, so that's why I am creating hr tag. So just refresh. Yeah, this is so in our original website, this about me is larger than that, so that's why I will create a bootstrap class which is display for, so this will larger, and I will create text with bold. For bold our text, this will font weight bold, so now our text will be bold. Now I want this all to be in center, so that's why post first I will create a class is post heading, and bootstrap class will be text center. Now this all text are in now center, so I will take margin from top 5, let's change it to 3, and padding bottom from 5. Yeah, that's good. So I will use another class from bootstrap which is width 50. It will take 50% of width, and margin x from auto, it will take from both side margin, and padding bottom also 5. Yeah, now we have to create our images and that section. For that's why I am creating another div tag, and this time this class name will be row for yeah, basic bootstrap grid, and inside this we have to create another div for our image, so that's why image tag, and first we have to create our class. So for class I will use bootstrap grid class. So for column and for large screen it will take 6 column, and for middle or medium screen it will take 6 also, and for mobile screen it will take 12 column. So copy this and paste it for another time, and this will be our image file back1.jpg. So if we refresh, you can see that it is taking full width, but we want to take for also 6 column, that's why we will create a class which is image fluid. Now it is taking only 6 column. So now we will create our information, so that's why we will create a h2 tag, and this will be one anomy, and I need a horizontal line under this, so that's why hr, and paragraph tag I will put some dummy text. Save this and refresh. Yeah, now I need a bottom also, sorry, button also, so that's why I will create a button underneath this paragraph tag. So button, and this will be no more, and class will be button btn. So let's see. Yeah, so I want to take this button 50% of width, so it will take 50%, and so now we have to style our button. So let's comment out first. This will be about a start. Yeah, now paste our id which is about. Now copy the class name, And now we'll give our border 2 pixel solid red so that you guys can understand the changing. Save this and refresh. Yes, so now we will give width of 40% and padding from 50 to top and bottom and 22 to for left and right, and our background will be black and border radius will be 5 pixel. So I want a margin top from 10 pixel. So let's copy this and paste it here. Now we will target our anchor tag. So color will be white, and text decoration will be none, and font size will be 1 em and font width will be bold. So now we have to text transformation will be uppercase. So copy this and paste it here. Now we have to create our hover effect. So that's why our only border color will change in hover effect. So that's why I copy this border and this will be that color. Oh, sorry for this. This will not here. Yes, now this is right. And cursor will be pointer. And yeah, this is looking good. Now let's change the red section. It is will be transparent. Yes, this is, but in this our real website you guys can see that there is a space from left and right side both, but we don't have this in our real website. So that's why I am creating a bootstrap class which is container fluid. First I am giving you an example, that's why it will be fluid, container fluid. So if we save and refresh, you can see that we can find some padding from right and left both sides, but we will change it to only container. Now if we refresh, you can see that yes, there are much more padding from left and right side both. It's like our original website. So yeah, there is two class, one is container and another is container fluid. So you guys can understand the difference between container and container fluid. You can use as your own. So now we have to create this service section. So for service section, I will copy these classes from here, about section, and paste it here, and copy this div class also, div tag also, and let's change it to service. And if we refresh, so you guys can see this service heading. So okay, now we have to make these cards. So we have to make these cards using Bootstrap grid system. So that's why we have to follow basic Bootstrap structure. So let's create a class for row and create another div tag. And I want everything for responsive. So that's why column large will be 4, and column medium scheme it will take 6 column, and in column in is a small screen it will take 12 columns. And I want padding bottom from 5. So first we have to go to the Bootstrap of our website and just click in card, and here is our cards, and here is one cards, and there is another one, and if you go down and there is another one, and yeah, there are so much cards, and you just have to choose any one. You can choose any one. These are all different colors, different size, and different styles. So I just want the first one. So yeah, this one. So I just have to simply copy this code. You can copy from here or click on copy. Yeah, just go to the text editor and paste it here. Yeah, that's it. So now I don't want this style, so delete this. And for images I will choose images from my service. So that's why this will be service 1 dot, and this is png file. And yeah, refresh. Yeah, this is our card. So we have to put two more cards in one row, and now we have to change the headings and titles. So this one will be for personal website, so that's why it will be it will be business website. Yeah, that's it. Now we have to change our button style. So this is the dark. Now we have to go to the Bootstrap, and now just choose for button. And yeah, there are so much buttons. They are different size and different colors, and each one have different class also. And yeah, this actually here you can see that, yeah, that class which is primary. Now I just have to change this class to dark, from dark, and this will be live preview. And now if we refresh, yeah, this is our background color black and the live preview. Now yeah, this is, now we have to copy this and just paste it 5 times. Now refresh, yeah, there is 6 cards, but each one is different, each one should be different. So I will change the images and and heading also. So that's why let's change it to image. This will be service 2, and this will be personal website, and this will be service 3, and this will be blog website. And let's change this everyone's headings and images. Yeah, that's it. Now refresh. Yeah, now this is looking nice, this is looking great. Yeah, that's it. Now we just have to create this button, and we just have to copy the code from button which we have created in about me. So just copy this and paste it here. So now if we save this and just go and refresh, yeah, you can see that, yeah, there is our button. Now we just have to install it, and we have to MX Auto. This means I want this in center, so this MX Auto. And now we have to style our button, so that's why comment out first, and this will be our service start. Now first I think we have to just create a class for this. This will be button, and I want, margin bottom from 5. Yeah, that's it. This is our button, and I just have to copy this ID, this service, paste it here, and now I have to copy the class name in from button. So that's it. And there is our button style, so we just have to copy this thing and paste it here. So we have to change the ID and classes. So if we save and just refresh, yeah, this is our button, as simple as that. Okay, now we just have to make this newsletter. So that's why I have to, underneath this service section, we just have to create another comment, and copy this and paste it here, and paste it again. Now we have to change it to newsletter start and newsletter, and yeah, that's good. Now we have to create a section tag, and I need a class, so just copy this class from here and paste it here. And I want 5 from margin bottom and margin top. So, and give it a class name, unique class name section 1, and this will be container fluid. So yeah, now we have to create a s2 tag, and this will be newsletter, and now class will be margin from top will be 5, and create another paragraph tag and copy this thing and paste it here. Yeah, that's it. Now if we refresh, you can see that there's all in left. Now we have to create a form and button also. So that's why I just go to the Bootstrap official website and just click on form. So yeah, there you can see that there is a one kind of form, and underneath this there is another style of form, and yeah, there is another one. So you just have to choose any of them one. So I am choosing the first one. So yeah, this is good. So we have to just copy this code and paste it here. So if we now save and refresh, so you can see that our form. So actually I don't need this level, so that's why, and I don't need this field also. So yeah, that's it, I think. If we refresh, and there is our button, and now we have to create our, just create a placeholder so that everyone can understand. This will be an entire email. So yeah, that's it. Now we have to change our button. This will be subscribe, and change the background of the color, so this will be dark. Now yeah, this is looking good now. So let's change this class form inline, and I want margin top from 2. Yeah, okay, let's again change by this and just create a class for, yeah, this will be form group, and margin from top will be 2. No, I think this is not okay. This will be form inline. Yeah, that's it. Now it will looks good. Yeah, now we have to style our newsletter field. Just delete this div, and yeah, and save this. Yeah, this is good. Now we have to get everything in the center, so that's why go to style sheet and create a newsletter comment, and copy this class, and this will be display flex, and flex direction will be column, justify content center, and align item center, and text align will be center. So, and yeah, and background will be light blue. So if we now refresh, yeah, everything will be in center now. Now we just have to change our headings and paragraphs. So we just have to copy, and this will be h2 tag. So yeah, just copy from family from here. So font weight will be bold, letter spacing will be 3 pixel, and line height will be 50 pixel. So let's refresh. Yeah, this is looking good. Now we have to create another class, and this time this will be for paragraph tag. I have to delete this thing, and font weight will be 400, and yeah, this is now looking good. Now if you see our original website, there is actually a space between these two button and a field, so I want exactly same here also. So that's why I want margin left for, yeah, this will be 2. So let's see what happened. Yeah, we have a space between now. Yeah, this is looking good now. So we have to create our contact us form, I think. Yeah, now we have to just create this contact us form, so that anyone can contact with me or you. So just I need to this copy this class from here, and paste it here. That's it. And I need this div tag also, and copy this and close these things, so that you guys can, yeah, this is for better understanding. So this will be contact. Just refresh. I need some more margin, so this will be margin top from 5. Yeah, now this is looking good. Now I want a form also, so again another form. So we have to just go to our Bootstrap official website, and just, yeah, I want this form again. So just copy this code and paste it here. Yeah, this is good. Now if we just, I don't need this field, so this box also, so I don't need this. So first one will be, yeah, this is just copy and paste it again time. First one will be for full name, I think. First one will be, yeah, this is for full name, so this will be full name, and this type will change, and this will be text, not email. and I want another actually field, so just paste this, and this will be for actually message, so this will be your text, and I don't need this input field. Let's create another, this will be text area, and you need to give a class. This will be form control. This is a bootstrap class. Just okay, change it to message, your message. This is looking good. Now if we refresh, yeah, this is our form. So this form is now is too big, so okay, let's first change the color of our button. This will be sand, and background color will be dark. Yeah, this is great. Now yeah, you can see that, yeah, now we have to change our, this is too big, this is looking awkward, so that's why I am giving a width of 50. This will take off width 50. Now save and refresh. Yeah, now yeah, this is taking 50% of width, and I want my MX auto. This means I want everything to be in center for always. So yeah, that's it. I don't need this container class. Yeah, this is looking good, I think. Yeah, everything is looking good. Actually, oh, this is will be contact us. Yeah, this is a contact us form. Now we have to change this footer, so I have to just click and search for bootstrap footer, and click the first link you saw, and yeah, here you can see that this is footer, bootstrap footer. Bootstrap have given you everything, you just have to find out what you need. Yeah, there is one kind of footer, there is another one, and there is, yeah, there is everything is different. No, yeah, everyone is different style, different color, different text. This footers is so amazing. So actually I want this one, so that's why you have to just you can copy this from here also, and just copy on the button, and yeah, that's it. Now we have to actually create a comment first, so that everyone can understand which is this code for. This will be footer start, and another one will be for footer end. Yeah, that's it. Now we have to just close these sections. We don't know this. Yeah, copy second and paste it here. Just paste it here. Yeah, that's it. Rearrange these codes. Yeah, that's it. Just perfect. Now if we save and just see our, yeah, great. This is our footer. This is looking so good. Yeah, this is our footer. So you can see that. Wow. Simple as that. This is so easy. This is so easy for everyone. This is so easy. You can just copy these codes, and you can, if you want, you can modify also these codes. So actually I want this copy that this thing is just my name, not my name, this person's name. This will be now refresh, and yeah, you can see, yeah, this is Charles Anderson. Now, yeah, this is, now you can see that in our real website there are actually a space between left and right, but there is no space, so that's why we have to create a class, and this will be container fluid. You know what is container fluid. So this div will be, ending div will be at last. Yes. Now if we save, you can see that there is a space between. Yes. Now if we see in our real website, you can see that when we click on a link, it is taking us to a different section, and it is also be highlighted. But in our website you can't see any action when we click on our navigation link, so that's why we have to go to our body and just type in data, data spy, and this value will be a scroll, and another thing will be data target. This will be a ID, which is hashtag never responsive. Yeah, that's it. Now we just have to copy this data target ID and paste it and go to home. Yeah, there is the data target, and just paste it here. And there is actually another data target, so this will be actually pasted here, and we don't need this hashtag. So in our navigation link, in help option, you can see that this is actually empty. Just we have to give our IDs which we have created. So this is home ID for home, and we have this will be about, which we have created for about section. Sorry, this will be about yeah, this is, yeah, there is our about ID. Now we have to, yes, this ID service, just paste it here, service, yeah, and this will be for contact, so that if we click on our links, it will take to our that section. So now click on home, yeah, about, yeah, you can see that actually in our real website you can see that when we click a link, it is being highlighted all the time, but it is not working in our website. So that's why we have to delete this active class from here and refresh. But yeah, it's still not highlighting our, yeah, you can see that here it is highlighting when we go a new section of our page, but here it's not working. So now we have to create a offset class. First we have to create a offset class in every div, in every actually section, not in home. We don't need this at home. So about, and there is service actually offset. We have to copy the offset and paste it here. Yeah, that's it. You can see that when we click a link, it is, the headings is behind the navigation bar, so we want some space from top. So that's why first offset, and display will be block, and content will be empty, and height will be 6 rem. So if now when we click on our navigation link, oh, this is not what I'm trying to do now. Okay, let's go to, okay, here it will be before. Yeah, now it's right. If we refresh, and you can see that now if when we click a navigation link, now we have some space for our headings. Yeah, now we have to create our highlighting system. So that's why we go to, actually it is not highlighting because our JavaScript file is not working. So we have to input this JavaScript file again. So go back to your Bootstrap official website and click on get started, and now we have to copy the JavaScript code from here again. Just copy it and place it here. Yes, now if we refresh, and here you can see that now the home is highlighting, and service, contact, about, they are all highlighting. Yeah, this is working now. So if we see the responsive option in our website, so here you can see that in our mobile version it is looking good, and yeah, this is taking actually whole width, everyone taking whole width. Yeah, there is now 2, and if we increase, now it will be 3. Our main heading isn't, I think we have to get it little bit more down, so it will be, let's top to 40%. So let's do it up to 40%. Yeah, this is now looking actual. So yeah, everything working well. So now we inspect and see what's set to responsive, and here you can see that our headings is not working responsive according to the screen size. We have to fix it later. Now you can see that, yeah, this is working well, and they are 2, 3, and again 1. Yeah, this is good. Yes, this is working well, but our heading is not working well. There is a slider underneath this, and in responsive we shouldn't have any slider, so we have to fix it. So let's get back to our code editor. Now we have to use media query for making our first heading responsive. So that's why first comment out media query, and we have to now put our skin sizes. So I am putting here two skin size. First one is 767 and second one is 479. So first one is actually for our tablet screens, and the second one, which is 479, is for our mobile screen. Now media query is set, so we have to find out what properties is not working in our responsive mode. So first let's 760, yeah, this is our, yeah. Now you can see that our navbar is looking so awkward because it is too big, so that's why we have to decrease the padding from top and bottom. So that's why I copy the navbar classes, and just first we have to decrease the size. It will be 0.1, and we don't need these other codes, so then it will be 10 just. Yeah, that's it. Now if we refresh, and now copy these codes from here and paste it here, and we just need to decrease the size. So this will be 3, and this will be also 3, and we don't need other codes because it is remain as well as, so this will be 0.9. Actually this is 677, so we have to change it. Yeah, now, yes, now it is looking good. Okay, everything is now looking perfect. So yeah, so we have to go our mobile view. So everything you did here is, first we have to copy this, and now we have to paste it here. Yes, now we just have to decrease everything, every size, every font size, and every paddings. Yeah, now, and this will be 479, and we have to 470, I think 8 or something. Yeah, this is our mobile view, and if we now refresh, yeah, you can see that. Yes, everything else is looking good. Actually our contact us is wrapping up, so that's why we have to change it also. So first we have to get the classes from the HTML. So find out the contact us class. Yeah, these are contact us class and ID. First we have to get the ID, and then we have to grab the class. Yes, contact us, and yeah, this is our class post heading. Copy it and paste it here. Now we have to grab h2 also. Just font size will be decreased, and it will be 2 em. So let's see. Yeah, now it is looking good. Yes, now everything is doing well. Actually here is no space between these two div, so you have to create some div. So let's use Bootstrap. First we have to find out the about us, and and find out the image. Yeah, this is our bottom image. So I need padding bottom from 4. So if we refresh, yeah, now we have a space. Now everything looking so good. So you guys can see that our portfolio is ready and it is fully responsive and it's looking good in every device screen. So using Bootstrap we can make any responsive website. Everything is there. You just have to choose and copy the code, and you can modify the code as your own. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you really enjoyed this tutorial, then subscribe our channel and give a like to this video and hit the bell icon for the new exciting videos. So that's it. Thank you again for watching this video. Hope you guys can make a portfolio for your own.